Alright, ladies and germs, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and now we're doing the unboxing of the Mintt Y5. And guess what? This is a giveaway as well. To enter the giveaway, you need to watch the full review. Instructions will be there on how you can enter. But for now, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon. Big shout out to Mintt, thank you very much. You guys are legends. We really appreciate your support. Now, the Mintt Y5 is a $379 phone. And where it differs is, so you've got NFC here. Let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at the specs here compared to, okay, the X5, because they're different for a reason. There's different prices on these for a reason. So the X5 has 64 gigs of storage, and the Y5 has 128 gigs of storage. On the camera, the rear camera, the main sensor is a 48 megapixel, and on the X5 it's a 16 megapixel. Front on the Y5 is 16 megapixel, front on the X5 is 13 megapixel, and they have wireless charging, facial recognition, fingerprint scanner, and NFC. NFC is the standout here on the Y5, whereas the X5 has the fingerprint sensor but doesn't have NFC, and it does not have the bigger or better cameras, and it doesn't have as much storage. The color on our Y5 today is anthracite. Anthracite? Anthracite. You say that. You know what I like about this? When I get these phones delivered from Mintt, it says on it, it's from Burleigh Heads. It doesn't say that it's from anywhere else. It just says Burleigh Heads. And I know the phone's manufactured and everything somewhere else, but the company is based in Australia, and we really appreciate that. Right. Ooh, the back of that looks good. Ooh, that looks so good. I really like the way that looks. Don't you? What do you think? That's so good. Alright, let's just turn that on. Quickly check out what else is in the box. Now, from what I've seen, we're going to get a case, charging brick, headphones, and a USB Type-C cable. Let's just make sure. Oh, and a glass screen protector. Love that. That's awesome. I'm not going to put that on because the winner who gets this phone, they can do that. The case though, I will be putting that on. Everyone loves a nice clear case. I will definitely be putting that on to keep the phone nice and safe. There's your headphones, there's your charging brick, there's your USB Type-C cable, SIM ejection tool, and a quick start guide. Let's put all that back in there. So, there's a display. It's curved, what do they call it? 3D gradient color curved glass cover. Let's get in there and check this camera out. What do you think of that? That looks pretty cool. I like the wallpaper. I like the way the phone looks. So we've got 48 megapixel. I'm going to have to look back at my reference. 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and 2 megapixel. And I think the 2 megapixel is a depth sensor. It doesn't say on the box though. And then on the front, we've got 16 megapixel. Right there, you can see that. 16 megapixel. And I can tell already that the software is faster than the other two. About phone. Ultra Mintt Y5, Android version 10, April 5, 2020 security patch. Now I'm guessing that's going to upgrade, and I will tell you in the full review if it does or doesn't. And there's your software. Now I'm just going to go in and set up my navigation bar to gestures. Man, that looks really nice. I like that display. That is about 85% brightness. That's not too bad. I've got a massive video light here just blaring down on me as well, so that's why the screen. Let's see, want to do that? All right, camera. Let's do the camera. There's my subject. My Canon light, my Canon cap. You know, the software is definitely different on the Y5. It's more polished and just seems quicker. Straight up, I can feel it. So Let's go. That was a fast shutter. Took a really quick photo. And you can definitely see there's a ton more detail in this compared to, say, the X5. So if photos is your thing, I'm already telling you the Y5 is where it's at. That's a lot more detail. Let's go back, swing around, front facing camera, take a bit of a selfie. And this is coming on a 16 megapixel selfie. Not bad. Again, the shutter's really fast for the selfie as well. And as you can see there, it's not a bad photo. It's a pretty true to life photo as well. Like you can see my blemishes and wrinkles and stuff like that. A little bit of beautification, but not too bad. Night mode, HDR mode, photo mode. What do we got here? Photo, and then we'll go wide angle. Look at that. Look at the difference. So your lenses are normal lens, wide angle, and depth sensor. That's taken on the wide angle. Just go back. Whoops. Wide angle. Standard. Wide angle. Standard. So you can see a huge difference, and then you'll have your depth sensor. So I'm going to take a photo of the box without wide angle on. And then you can see your bokeh, the depth sensor kicks in, gives you your bokeh for your background. So you can see the box is in focus and the camera is out of focus. I like it. Because I use my phones a lot. They're a real tool for me. They're not just something I carry around for communication or something I carry around for the odd photo. They're a real tool for me, a real workhorse. So for me, I'm already leaning towards the Y5, but you know, for a lot of people, there might be budget constraints, or they might just be the fact they don't use a lot of functionality on phones, and for those people, one of the other models might be sufficient, like the A5 or the X5. But I'm really loving the Mintt Y5. I'm going to go and set it all up and review them all. And don't forget, this is a giveaway. So if you want to know how to win, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, because once these reviews drop, that's where I'll be telling you how you can win one of these Mintt phones. So do that now. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Check ya!